Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 3 science teacher and today we will be studying from chapter birds, one of the topics, and that is we are learning about the type of different beaks of different birds and the function of the different type of beaks of birds. They usually have three functions. Birds use their beaks to eat their food, and secondly they use their beaks to protect themselves from their enemies, and thirdly they use their beaks to build their nest, and they also protect their babies from the enemies with the help of their beaks. So all the birds are given different beaks by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so that they can eat the type of food that they eat. So you can see the picture of swallow. It has a broad and short beak. It eats insects. And then the duck, it has a broad and flat beak to eat insect, worms and algae from the water. And then the hoopoe, it has long and slender beak to eat the insects. Then woodpecker, it has a strong and chiseled beak to eat the worms, insects from the trees, so it can pick it from the trees. Now the parrot has a curved shaped beak because it also eats nuts and seeds of the fruit, so the beak helps it to eat the food. Then if we turn on page number 56, we will see that you can see the picture of eagle. It has to eat flesh of the animals, so it has a sharp beak so that it can eat the flesh of other animals, and it can hunt and eat other animals, and it can eat frogs, chicks, mice and even snakes. Now the sparrows and pigeons have a short and horny beak, and because it only has to eat grains and seeds. Then we studied the different type of feet of the birds. You can see the feet of hen, woodpecker, duck, crane, crow and eagle. So these different type of feet helps them to perform different functions. In this reference I have also given you a question of how the different type of feet of different birds helps them in their functions. So first of all we have the category of scratching birds like hens. They have strong legs and their feet have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back, and the toes have sharp claws to scratch and dig out the insects from the ground. Now secondly is the climbing birds like woodpeckers and parrots. They use their feet for climbing and clinging on the trees. Then we have the swimming birds like ducks. They have the webbed feet which helps them to push the water when they are swimming in the water. And then we have the wading birds like cranes and herons. They have long legs that spread out to wade through muddy waters without getting dirty and wet. Then we have perching birds like crows and sparrows that you can see every day. They use their feet for holding the branches of the trees so that they can sleep on trees without falling. Then we have flesh eating animals. These also you can see every day like eagles, vultures and hawks. They have sharp and strong claws called talons for catching the prey and their insects or their chick or whatever animal they want to catch. In this reference I have given you a question number 5. Mention the different types of feet of different birds. So the first one is like scratching birds. I have taken from here, scratching birds from here till here. I have written it here, and then in front of that you will draw the picture of hand feet from here, and then secondly then you will write about the climbing birds. You can take it from here, climbing birds. And the climbing birds example is woodpeckers and parrots, so you can take the picture of woodpecker and draw in the blank page. Then third is the swimming birds, ducks. The duck feet picture also you can draw it on the blank page. Then you write about the wading birds, cranes. So you can draw, after writing the cranes you can draw the picture of the crane on the blank page. Then comes the perching birds like crows and sparrows. So after writing about it from the marked from this page, you can make the drawing of the crow, the feet of the crow. Then lastly is the flesh eating birds like eagles, and you can write about them from the marked here, and then you can draw the picture of the eagle feet on the blank page. So this is your homework. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.